Meaning of gradualism.
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 Gradualism. Gradualism refers to the approach of making slow and incremental changes over time rather than sudden and drastic ones. This concept is often applied in politics, economics, and social issues where large-scale changes are difficult to implement or may have unintended consequences. Gradualism allows for adjustments to be made gradually without disrupting the existing system. While it may take longer to see the desired result, gradualism can lead to more sustainable and long-lasting change. Overall, gradualism provides a cautious and methodical approach to problem-solving that prioritizes stability and careful consideration of potential outcomes.